because we're gonna be stuck in our houses for 2 weeks in America. We ain't touching no door handles. Coronavirus 2020. Another day, another workout. Not gonna let all the coronavirus fear stop me from going to the gym. So we're here, about to get in a lower body workout. Let's get it. It didn't happen. Core, and then we're done. We ain't touching no door handles. Oh, it didn't open it? Oh, all right, cool.
It sucks, man.
That's how we gotta do it. Oh, there we go. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, there.
We're looking for some suits. I think I tried this on last time. It was a small one though. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking possibly just like a black undershirt.
It's a beautiful day out here.
That it is.
About to get some burritos. Yes, sir. That's what we're gonna get. Obviously, no dairy, no meat. Let's go. Hello. We got ourselves a feast.
And it's got
That's a wrap. A little food left, but I'm full. Now we're here to stock up on some supplies because we're gonna be stuck in our houses for 2 weeks in America. Oh, it's gonna suck. We're documenting all of it. Coronavirus 2020. What we got there? Some green peas? Oh, spinach. Nice. That's organic too. Fancy man. Some Brock. What are these? Golden berries?
yeah. They've been had those.
Are those sweet? Wow.
Subscribe to Lending Tips. Well, it's actually
Have it for.
Got some almond milk and some garlic.
Yep. Gotta have garlic. Oh, you
Gotta
already
have
know.
garlic.
Got to.
It's an antiviral.
Yep.
Come on, man. Hurry up, bro. Hey, bag them groceries, man. Come on, let's go. We waiting. We're not even done grocery shopping yet. We got to go to the next store right now. We're looking for some. I forgot exactly what it is, but it's not even me looking for it. It's him. So we'll see when we get there. No. I'm gonna snag these though.